So in front of the box today, we get pretty much the Stylo 5X from Boost Mobile. It's a new device that just launched. It's a 6.2-inch full HD display, 1080p, 32 gigs of memory and 3 gigs of RAM, 13 megapixel back camera and 5 megapixel wide camera, so better for those selfies. It has a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, and that's what we see when we look at it right in the front of the box. Let's unbox it. From a look from the back, we also have the specs again, pretty much 4G LTE phone, all the terms and conditions, Bluetooth, and all that software stuff. Let's unbox it. All right, so here are the specs of the LG Stylo 5. The specs again in the box. And then when we open this, we have the phone, we have a, what is this, Type-C charger, and fast charger. So nice thing about LG, they charge really fast. And the Type-C charger is a lot harder to break, so let's turn on the phone. All right, so we passed all the legal stuff and all the setup part. Here's the phone itself. It has a beautiful display. Cool thing about the phone, like I said, it has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera up here. Big display. In the back, you'll see a white back. It has a fingerprint lock, and it has a 13 megapixel camera, which is really nice. Down here, it has a stylus pen, and it's pretty cool because you can use that for like notes and like, here's a stylus pen. You can use that for like notes and other features. It has a lot of built-in features for like memos and drawing and like editing pictures and stuff like that. So that's what you would use stylus pen for. So 13 megapixel camera, stylus pen, fingerprint sensor in the back for your locking needs and stuff like that. Cool thing about the stylos, you can turn it off by double tapping the screen. It has a lot of cool built-in features. You can double tap again and unlock the screen. Other than that, the Stylo 5X is pretty much, it looks like it's just a new rebranding of the Stylo 5. Because I looked up the specs, and all the specs, I'll put them on the video below, on the description below of the specs. Camera's really nice, very clear. But the specs are identical to the old Stylo 4. So it looks like it's just a rebranding of the phone. Stylo 5X. I didn't see any new features. I did see it had an NFC chip. NFC chips, like if you want to pay with a credit card or transfer data to another phone. But overall, here's the phone. It's pretty clean. One thing about Stylos, LGs, they always have a big battery. So it has about, I believe it has a 3500 milliamp battery. So the battery and the charge on this phone should be really good. And pretty much first look. Right now the phone at Boost Mobile at this moment, it's free when you switch over from another carrier. Or it's $199 with a new number, or free when you switch. So not bad. Good phone. Good starter phone. Try out the service. And there we go. Thank you for watching.